Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can add an audio spectrum in CapCut. If you found the video helpful, please like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. First step. Open CapCut. Second step. Bring in the audio here. I have a keyboard typing audio here. So I'll import that here. After that, drag it from here onto the timeline. You can listen to it. Now, to add an audio spectrum on top of this, go to Stickers and type Audio Spectrum in the search bar. You'll find plenty of audio spectrums here. Choose the one you like, select it, and adjust it. Question. I've adjusted the audio spectrum. You can listen from here. I hope you got the information you needed from this video. If you did, like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, and be sure to share this video with your friends.